और इसके बाद यहाँ इस साल हम अभी फर्स्ट नेशनल सर्किट का एक तो रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर किया जाएगा, प्लस सबके विचार सुने जाएंगे। वरुण सिन्हा सर का सबसे पहले स्वागत है कि वो हमारे चीफ गेस्ट हैं, और आदित्य वाला सर जो कि गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर है, उनका भी स्वागत है। और उम्मीद करता हूं कि उन्हें आज का ये शो पसंद आएगा। और इसी के साथ मैं सारी जूरी और अपने सभी साथियों का सबका स्वागत करता हूं, एंड होप फॉर द बेस्ट, एंड होप कि नेक्स्ट ईयर वी विल मीट इन सम गैलरी physically and greet everyone with a warm hug. Thank you.
नेक्स्ट हमारी प्रेजेंटेशन जो देंगे अपना अनुज जी सैलॉन स्टैटिस्टिक्स के साथ। काइंडली टेल ऑल द पीपल अबाउट व्हाट दिस सर्किट वाज ऑल अबाउट। अनुज जी।
Everyone, and wish you all a very happy World Photography Day. I will just quickly share the statistics of the circuit. So the total number of entrants that we had in the saloon is 222, and the total number of images that we have received are 4,270, 4270, out of which in the color section we have received 907 images. In the monochrome section we have received 905 images. In the nature section we have received 798 images. In the travel section we have received 873 images, and in the journalism section we have received 787 images. So these are the total number of images received, and out of 4,270 images, 1,537 images are accepted. So I'll just repeat the data again. Out of 4,270 images, 1,537 images are accepted. Total accepted works are 313, and total awarded entrants are 136. I'll just repeat the last two things again. Total number of awarded works out of 4,270 are 313, and total number of awarded entrants are 136. So that is a quick overview about the statistics of the saloon. Now I would like to invite our respected President, Mr. Vinod Chauhan ji, to address the participants and to welcome the chief guest. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. It indeed is a great pleasure to be with the dignitaries of the photo world. First and foremost, a very happy World Photography to one and all. And a special thanks to Dr. Barun Sinha ji, who in a very short time approved the patronage for the circuit, national circuit of Tapas, and made the dream come true for Tapas for its first national circuit. We thank the other clubs also, the club from Lucknow LCC and the club from Jammu, to be our co-hosts in this. And after having 3 international salons, conducting this national salon was a great honor for us, and we got a very good response for this. And basically today we have gathered here for our virtual exhibition to be inaugurated by our chief guest, respected Dr. Barun Sinha ji. And today's guest of honor is Mr. Aditya Agarwala ji, the president of Federation of Indian Photography. Can everybody see the screen I'm sharing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. I'll try to make it bigger. Play from the current. Okay, so a warm welcome from Tri-City Photo Art Society to everybody, and a special welcome and thanks to all the dignitaries here. Tri-City Photo Art Society is one of the leading clubs of photography in India. Today, we are presenting the virtual exhibition First Tapas National Circuit District 2021 on eve of World Photography Day. The agenda we'll discuss later on. Today's chief guest is Dr. Barun Sinha. He's MPhIAP, and he was one of the select few MPhIAPs of India. And by profession, he's a doctor. He's a photographer as a hobbyist. He's got a great profile. He started his journey in 1970 And in 1972, first wildlife image at Batla.
Agenda we'll discuss later on.
Sorry.
Today's chief guest is Dr. Barun Sinha. He's MFIAP, and he was one of the select few MFIAPs of India.
Yeah. Bhattaji, my voice is repeating.
By profession, he's a doctor. He's a photographer as a hobbyist. He's got a great profile. He started his journey in 1970. And in 1972...
I'm audible now?
Yes, sir.
So 1975, he was the founder secretary of Photo Association of Bihar, PHAB. And then 1976, first national salon acceptance he got from PAB Calcutta. So he joined FIP as a life member. 1988, he's sabbatical from photography for 10 years while on study tour abroad. 1988 to 89 took over as president of PHAB and started salon participation seriously. 1994, he got his first international acceptance, became secretary of FIP Salon recognitions in 1999. He was a vice president followed by acting president of FIP in 2002. And 2003, he was adjudged as best Indian participant for 3 years on a run, organizing IIPC annual conference at Patna. And 2004, he was elected as president of FIP and received AIPC honorary FIP. 2006, second term as president of FIP and organized FIP convention at Patna. He received EFIAP also during that time. 2008, he had 8th international ranking in PSA Nature Who's Who, and he was elected as president FIP in 2010. 2010 awarded the coveted MFIAP for his series on cheetah. And 2011, while president, appointed as acting honorary secretary of FIP following the sad demise of Mr. Barun Senji. He was elected honorary secretary FIP unanimously on 2012, 2014, 2016, and 2018. In 2016, he was awarded ESFIAP at FIAP World Congress at Seoul for his excellence in services. Started the culture of workshops at FIP at affordable prices. FIP has so far conducted 45 nationals as well as 6 international workshops in the last 4 years, and this number might have changed in the recent couple of months. Photographer of the Year and Youth Photographer of the Year awards are running smoothly under the banner of FIP. Since 2014, FIP is conducting national as well as international digital circuits, salon and print salon as well. On over 100,000 photo artists of India have successfully achieved national or international distinction in the last 4 years alone, unparalleled feat anywhere in the world. FIP conducts maximum number of salons with FIAP patronage in the world. All women jury panels for the salon was initiated by FIP with unprecedented success under his leadership. Instrumental hosting 2 FIAP Nature World Cups in India, 2010 and 2014. Editor-in-chief of FIP published Blue Sapphire, which became a landmark success story. And I will say that I like to mention here that FIP itself has grown exponentially. And FIP today is cash rich, and FIP today is strengthening in its rules and regulations and systems also. And this is a portrait which I had seen in his house. 1 minute. Okay, so his journey was from prostrate to portrait. And these are his exceptional works: The Frozen Fish, The Territorial Dispute, Mara Crossing, Dragging the Kill, Elephant in Village Fair, Dreams and Beyond, Cheetah, Brothers on a Hunt. He was the first person to be conferred upon Tapas' highest distinction, Honorable Grandmaster Tapas. Thanks a million, respected Dr. Barun Sinha sir, for sparing your valuable time with us. Indeed, it is great honor for Tapas that Dr. Barun Sinha has been jury for Tapas International Salon and a couple of salons. And last year also he was the chief guest when we launched our ebook. And today also he's sparing his valuable time to launch the virtual gallery. And I'll request Dr. Barun Sinha to say a few words of appreciation and encouragement for Tapas members and for all the photo enthusiasts who have joined today in the Zoom meeting. Over to you, Dr. Barun Sinha, sir. Most welcome, sir.
Thank you so much, Vinod, for the wonderful introduction. It's indeed an honor for me to be here among the dignitaries of TPAS and the selected invited guests on the auspicious occasion of World Photography Day. We all know how the World Photography Day started with the gallant efforts of Mr. O.P. Sharma of IIPC. It was he who wrote to all the eminent photographers of the world to start this day in the memory of photography, because on this very day, the French government decided not to have any French government opened it to the world, to the photographers of the world without any copyright infringement. So that's how today we celebrate World Photography Day. TPAS is one of the very prominent clubs of India, always in forefront of organizing events, workshops, exhibitions, and many, many more things. And I wish more and more success to them, to the entire TPAS team, the president, the secretary, chairpersons, and everybody else. I know very well how much it takes to organize an event like a national salon or international salon. You have to have a very good team, and not only team, but a dedicated team to bring your dreams on the surface. And this time, this second week of August, there has been so many events, so many salons that even I felt the stress of judging so many salons together. And at times I got confused with whether I'm judging TPAS or Trinity or something else. And but eventually all the judging were completed well in time. And I also thank the webmaster, which in Arnav Chakravarti, for his efforts. And I'm sure TPAS will continue with the great work they are doing, and we will see many, many more events in future also. Till the next World Photography Day, I say goodbye to all of you, and with my very best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And I think Arnab has sent you a link where you can press the button to inaugurate the virtual exhibition, sir.
That link will be separate than this link?
Arnab?
Yes, sir. I have sent a separate mail to you.
1 minute. I've seen that. This is...
On behalf of Tapas, we really thank Dr. Barun Sinha ji for his motivational and encouraging comments for Tapas, and not only for Tapas, for all the photo enthusiasts and the clubs. And it's indeed encouraging that salon photography is growing leaps and bounds in India under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Barun Sinha ji and Aditya Agrawala sir. And soon, Dr. Barun Sinha ji will be inaugurating the virtual exhibition.
Where is the button? I don't see the button.
Arnab?
Sir, it's just in the middle. Let me just share my screen, then you'll be able to see it well.
Oh, good. So where is the button?
Sir, here's the
Launch
button.
virtual exhibition.
Yes, sir.
And so a big round of applause when Dr. Barun Sinha ji clicks the launch virtual exhibition. It's indeed is a great moment for Tapas.
Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. The gallery has been launched and now it is also available on our website.
Sorry, launch.
Yes, and participants will be able to see the gallery from the website also now. The website is tapas.photosalons.live.
So is there anything else I have to do to inaugurate? Or is it
No, sir. You may open the individual sections as well, but we will be going through it at the latest stage.
okay?
Arnav, you can show few images, award-winning images of color or monochrome section.
So here is the link. I mean the award gallery for the monochrome section.
Okay, okay. Beautiful. Wonderful. Well, thank you very much, all of you, for being here during the inauguration of the TPAS Salon, National Salon. And unfortunately, I have other commitments, so I'll take a leave. And once again, I thank all of you, Vinod Chauhan, Deep Bhatia ji, and
Thank you, sir.
Everybody else, and the entire guests who are watching the event. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, for
Thank
sir.
you, Doctor.
Every time,
Thank
every
you.
day, every moment. Indeed, it was great pleasure that the inauguration was inaugurated by the Honorary General Secretary of Federation of Indian Photography, Dr. Barun Sinha ji. And now I'd like to share my screen further to welcome our guest of honor, Aditya Agarwala ji. Slideshow, play from our guest of honor is Mr. Aditya Agarwala, EFIAP, Bronze FRPS Honorable EFMPA, and he is the current President of Federation of Indian Photography, Alumni of Photographic Association of Dum Dum, Kolkata. He has quite a few renowned distinctions to his name: FRPS, EFIAP, FAPU, EFIP, Honorable EFMPA, Honorable PES, GSPSCA, GPA, PES, GSPCA, Honorable GM Tapas, Honorable Fellow DCC, Honorary Lecturer. He's also an honorary lecturer at PAD Kolkata from period 1982 to 1998, written articles on photography. He is a writer also. He has co-authored 2 books, Learn Photography and Experimental Photography, published by PAD. He is also an editor, associate editor of Viewfinder from 1997-2001, the official monthly journal of the Federation of Indian Photography. Associate editor of Blue Sapphire, a 2019 coffee table publication of Federation of Indian Photography, compiling various articles on photographic history, arts, and science. Credit to his name is the chief coordinator of Chandigarh Federation of Indian Photography Convention, which was held in 1998. He was the founder president of Friends of Photography Club in Chandigarh from period 2000 to 2005. He was advisor to Tri-City Photo Art Society, Chandigarh from 2015 to 2019. So we have had a wonderful association with Aditya Agarwala sir. He's a recipient of more than 100 awards, gold, silver, and bronze medals, honorable mention cash awards from national, international salons and contests from USA, UK, France, China, and many other various renowned countries like Romania, Hungary, Luxembourg, South Africa, South Korea, Holland, etc. Achievements: 4 times recipient of Best Indian Entrant Award in international salons held in India. First Indian to be awarded the first prize at Photojournalist of the Year contest in 1989, sponsored by the Photographic Society of America. Honored as one of the 6 Indian pictorialists by the Photographic Society of Pakistan. A cross-country connection over here to the exhibition Tribute to the Legends of Photography exhibition held in 2005 in Pakistan. Then he also organized first Indo-Pakistan Dosti Photo Show in Chandigarh 2004. Applauds: first Indian to be awarded the first prize at Photojournalist of the Year contest in 1989, sponsored by the Photographic Society of America. His exhibitions have been held in Bilderbank, Austria, Germany, and published in booklets and State Laliat Kala Academy, Lucknow. He has been interviewed by Doordarshan, conducted various workshops, delivered talk shows on photographic art at various photographic associations, clubs. His works are, this is Reflection, the creative works, the master of the darkroom era. He's well known for the creative works he has done all this while. Woman, Blue Butterfly, Minimalism. Thank you, Adit sir. And it indeed is again a great pleasure for Tapas and on behalf of Tapas for me to welcome you to take over the proceedings as guest of honor for today's virtual exhibition on the eve of World Photography Day. Over to you, sir. Adit sir? Bhatia ji?
I think it is unmuted now.
Okay, sir.
Can you hear?
Welcome, sir.
Okay, yes. I said thank you, Mr. Vinod, for giving a nice introduction, and welcome to all my friends of Tri-City Photo Art Society. I can see my very old friend Deebram Bhatia and Mr. Jaggi, Praveen Jaggi, and my very old friend Arnab. And I think there are some, yeah, Mr. Chauhan is also there, I can recognize.
Hemant Chauhan is there. Yeah.
Anyway, so friends, it feels very nice to be among the friends in this pandemic era. So you all know we have assembled here on the occasion of launch of TIPA's first national circuit on this World Photography Day. We all know and we have heard a lot about the World Photography Day from various sources, including the Honorable Secretary General of Federation, Dr. Barun Sinha, just now spoke something about World Photography Day, and it's coming to India through a renowned photographer from Delhi, O.P. Sharma. It is organized to share the knowledge the photographers hold, which is beyond the description of words. But what is our role, or rather what should be our role as photographers who are practicing photography for last 20 years or more, like I am doing for more than 40 years, and there are so many other people who are doing photography for even 50, 60. We should share our knowledge with the society, with the fellow photographers, our friends, not necessary because everybody is friend. So we must share it with our fellow photographers. So I have not met Dr. Thomas, Dr. G. Thomas, the first Secretary General of Federation of Indian Photography. But I gather that Dr. Thomas used to share his knowledge and share it with his fellow photographers and friends. Whenever anybody came and met him or asked something about photography. This tradition was carried on by the second Honorable Secretary General, by C. Rajagopal. He also used to share a lot of his ideas and photographs, how to take good photograph, how to make good photograph with his fellow friends and other photographers. I had a long association with C. Rajagopal, the second Honorary Secretary General of FI. A fluent speaker in English and having a encyclopedic knowledge on photography. The same continued with the following Secretary General, Mr. Benu Sen. I am myself one of his students. Mr. Benu Sen used to teach photography in his locality, and that is how the School of Photography, that is Photographic Association of Punjab, came into being. Anybody who hails from that area, especially West Bengal or Calcutta, each one of them know Benu Sen. He had a vast knowledge of photography, and Dr. Thomas, the first Secretary General of Federation, used to call him the Wizard of Dark. Today, with the change in the system of photography, from negative positive, from camera film to dark room, now it has undergone a sea change. Now we have digital cameras at our disposal. Previously, when we used to hold the film camera, we had to wait to see a picture taken by us until the roll is exposed completely to 36, and then we go and develop it into our darkroom. I guess in your TPAS, there must be several photographers who are from this era of photography, negative, positive, at least Deep Bhatia, I know, is from that era. And my friendship goes back with him to 1998. So now we have digital cameras at our disposal. The moment we take a picture, we can instantly see it on the LCD screen. And if it is not proper or it requires some correction, improvement, we have the good fortune of retaking the picture, which was not available to us in those days. And similarly, at that time, we had to do our work, develop our photographs in the dark room, which was a very dimly lit room with red colored light. But now we are doing it in the facilities of well-lighted room, air-conditioned room, and we are making our images. So also, and when I was in Chandigarh, I had started this practice of spreading knowledge by meeting the photographer friends occasionally, say once a week or once in a fortnight, and discuss our ideas on how to overcome a hurdle in photography. Let's say we are going to make a print, but it is not coming properly. So how that problem can be overcome. Back then, in 2000 and 2001, when I was doing this, Mr. Bhatia was with me. And when I left Chandigarh, Mr. Bhatia took it over again. And that is how Deep Bhatia and the president of TPAS, Mr. Vinod Chauhan, they started this club, Tree City Photo Art Society. And I am very happy to note and inform that both these gentlemen have taken upon themselves the idea how to spread photography, how to create awareness about various isms of photography to fellow photographers in the society where we reside, where you reside, rather. Mr. Deep Bhatia deserves a special mention. Now, after doing this tabletop photography, still life photography, he is doing special work on droplet photography, liquid droplet photography. Mr. Chauhan had done some workshop kind of teaching forums on drone photography. And I gather that there are several more people at TIPAS, like Neetu Katyal. He has done a lot of work on portrait photography. And then Mr. Anuj Jain, he is doing some nature photography, though not very active in salon circuits. But I hear he shares his knowledge and shares his photographs also with so many people. There is another gentleman in your club, Mr. Arun Khanna, and Mr. Jaggi, who is nowadays doing tabletop photography. So I think you have so many photographer friends, members in your own club who can work in this direction to spread photography, make it a very infectious hobby in the society. That way, you will not only earn fame to the credit of your club, Free City Photo Art Society, but you will also spread knowledge of photography, art of photography throughout the city of Chandigarh, Jirapur, etc., and earn a lot of fame and satisfaction. Ultimately, it is the happiness and satisfaction which carries us a long way. Thank you to all of you.
Thank you very much, Adit Agarwala, sir. And while I was reading your profile that you had been the advisor to Tapas, let me put some words into your mind and ears right now that you will again continue to be the chief advisor of Tapas very soon. And you have been really inspiring us. Before we proceed further, we have gathered here for the first Tapas National Circuit District 2021 virtual exhibition. And this day, the dream on the World Photography Day would not have been possible if we don't mention the people, the unsung heroes, and the creatives, the directors, the organizers, the producers behind this. First and foremost, this dream come true has been due to our mentor and our advisor, Mr. Deepram Bhatia ji. Talking about him, I always say that he's a university in a university, imparting knowledge from the dark era to many people, tried many free workshops, free seminars, free teachings and coachings for almost decades now. Now he's started his own school where he's कहते हैं कि जब दक्षिणा दो तो ज्ञान भी मिलता है. So he's sort of that. He's into the water droplets, portraiture, still life. So he's conducting a lot of workshops also, and he's been advising regularly the Tapas members for all what they want to know and all what they want to acquire. So he was the vision behind salon photography along with Adit Agarwala ji, who initially initiated in the formation of this Tapas. So that dream, with my joining hands with the team, we created Tapas. And Tapas created first 3 international salons, and today we have gathered here. Second in line, I would say that we would like to pay special thanks to Federation of Indian Photography, Dr. Barun Sinha ji and Mr. Rajiv, who have worked in and out to help us in a very short span of time to head the patronage and go ahead. And then I want to talk about our members also. We have members with guts of steel, and especially I like to mention and thank Neetu Katyal ji, who in spite of her personal great loss, still educated as a jury member and did the judging. Compliments for her courage and strength. And all our jury members, the 11 jury members, they were the winning Indian cricket. They fought like a winning Indian cricket team. So they supported Tapas, they supported the webmaster, and there was not a glitch of any sort in judging this event. And a special compliment and thanks to all our jury members who will be speaking and sharing a minute of their view and remarks later on. And above all, I want to say that I want to compliment and thank our webmaster, Arnab. Arnab has been associated with us since 2015, first Tapas National International Salon. Arnab is there. And today, after 5-6 years of Tapas inception, we've conducted this first Tapas National Circuit. He's still there. That talks about our relationship, our emotional connect, our respect for each other. Being there for 6 years, understanding each other, speaks a lot of things about Arnab. And let me tell you one thing. Arnab has not, although we have to pay, Arnab has not even taken a single penny from Tapas, but that has not hampered or disturbed his working to Tapas and Tapas members. Special compliment to you, Arnab, and your check would follow today.
One more thing I want to add here.
Right, sir.
That Arnab has a special relationship with me, which dates back to, I think, 2014 or 13.
Yes, 2013, I think.
2013. Okay. I have met him on several occasions, and he has always been very pleasing personality, pleasing personality, and very amiable and helpful person. And one more thing, which I forgot to tell you, that after Venu Sen, when Dr. Barun Sinha took over the cudgels of Federation of Indian Photography, he has also continued that tradition of sharing and imparting his knowledge with fellow photographers. Perhaps many people do not know that whenever a salon is organized in Calcutta and there are new juries coming as judge, especially the ladies jury, which this system which he created, that all female jury salon. He first takes a class of them. He imparts them the intricacies of nature photography and how to judge nature photography. And he gives them also practical lessons, a dummy practical lesson. And then they start judging. And that has helped them come up with flying colors. So Dr. Sinha is also continuing with this tradition.
Thank you, sir. And while I was talking about the strengths behind this first Tapas National Circuit, last but not the least, the organizers of this salon their work has been commendable. Jaggi ji as salon chairman, Prashant as salon secretary, and Anuj ji collecting the salon fees. They did a commendable job. And let me share with you that out of these 222 entries, I think only 2 people have not yet paid. So that talks about the collection part of Anuji and the reach in a very short span by the chairman and by the salon secretary. So it is also very commendable. And whatever is happened today is just because of this winning combination of the mentor, Federation of Indian Photography, jury members, the webmaster, and the organizers of Tapas, and with members of Tapas being always behind Tapas. And the last screen, which I would like to share over here, okay. So can everybody see the screen?
Yes, sir.
So Tapas, the host club for this national circuit, is India's #1 photography club in debut year in 5th ISCC contest, currently ranked #8 photography club in India, North India's leading photography club, government registered non-profit voluntary photo art promoting organization. It was founded on 26 January 2015. Co-founders were Mr. Deep Bhatia and myself. Governing Council of 2021 and 2022, President Vinod Chauhan, Vice President Praveen Jaggi, General Secretary Prashant Verma, Joint Secretary our endeavor at Tapas promote photo art in region, nationally and globally. 2-month activities workshop, photo walk for now online due to pandemic, promote salons and salons photography, conduct salons, charitable activities. The joint secretary of Tapas, we have Lakshmi, and press secretary of Tapas, we have Hemant Sharmaji, Hemant Chauhanji. And with this governing, the treasurer is SK Vermaji. And with this governing council and the current organizing team of Salon, we have been able to do what we have done today. And this virtual exhibition today was an idea which was floated between me and the organizers and Arnab, and it has come true. And all the people who have gathered here would have a treat to watch the virtual exhibition once it starts running after Arnab declares the official result of the circuit, and he starts up with the slideshow of the virtual exhibition. And before that, I would like to call upon our advisor, Deep Bhatia ji, to say a few words of his experience at Tapas and his personal feelings about first Tapas National Circuit District 2021. वेलकम भाटिया जी।
थैंक यू विनोद जी। सबसे पहले तो मैं वर्ल्ड फोटोग्राफी डे की सभी को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और बधाई देता हूं, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन। और मैं थैंक्स करता हूं हमारे गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर और मेरे जो मेंटर है आदित्य अग्रवाला जी और चीफ गेस्ट डॉक्टर वरुण सिन्हा जी, और जो हमारी जो टीम है तपस की टीम हेडेड बाय विनोद चौहान जी, इन्होंने बहुत ही कमेंडेबल काम किया है इस शॉर्ट टाइम में इस सर्किट को कंडक्ट करना। और मैं थोड़ा बताना चाहूँगा कि 2015 में हम लोगों ने तपस की फॉर्मेशन की थी, विनोद चौहान जी और मैंने इसका जो नींव पत्थर रखा था। और उससे पहले मैं थोड़ा सा जानना चाहता हूँ कि 99 में आदित्य अग्रवाला जी चंडीगढ़ आए, इनका पोस्टिंग RBI चंडीगढ़ में हो गया और मैं फोटोग्राफी 1986 से कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन इनके आने से पूरा सिनेरियो हमारी ट्राई सिटी का चेंज हो गया। हमारा फोटोग्राफी भी तो होता करते थे हम लोग, लेकिन उसका जो क्वालिटी नहीं होता था। तो अग्रवाल साहब 1999 में यहाँ चंडीगढ़ आए और इन्होंने जो यहाँ इंटरेस्टेड लोग थे, जो पैशनेट थे फोटोग्राफी, उनको इन्होंने सिखाना शुरू किया और मैंने इन्हीं से फोटोग्राफी सीखी। उसके बाद मेरी फोटोग्राफी में इम्प्रूवमेंट हुई और खासकर ब्लैक एंड वाइट में जो इनकी प्रिंट क्वालिटी होती थी वो मैचलेस थी और हमने इनसे सीखा। और उसके बाद मेरा थोड़ा गैप रहा, हाइबरनेशन में मैं चला गया था 12 साल के लिए। फिर जब वापस आया तो डार्क रूम से लाइट रूम हो गया था और 2015 में हम लोग एक इंटरनेशनल एग्जीबिशन करना चाहते थे और एक क्लब की फॉर्मेशन की और हमें कुछ पता नहीं था। तो गाइडेंस वहाँ अग्रवाला साहब हमारे एडवाइज़र बने इस तपस के और एक एक चीज़ इन्होंने हमें सिखाई कि कैसे करना है, क्योंकि इंटरनेशनल FIAP, PSA और FIP के साथ हमने करना था, जूरी मेंबर सारा कुछ हम लोगों ने किया। और मैं ये बताना चाहता था कि अग्रवाल साहब का ट्राई सिटी में या तपस के लिए बहुत बड़ा योगदान है जो कभी भुलाया नहीं जा सकता। और हम लोगों ने सक्सेसफुली किया और फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल, उसके बाद सेकंड, फिर थर्ड इंटरनेशनल। और मज़े की बात यह हुई कि इनकी जो मेंटरशिप में हमारी क्लब 2015 में ही इंटर क्लब कॉन्टेस्ट में फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियन फोटोग्राफी में मतलब नंबर 1 पे आ गई। बहुत हैरानी की बात थी, सबको ही थी हैरानी के बाद। 2015 में क्लब बनी, 2015 में ICC कॉन्टेस्ट हुआ, 2015 में हम लोग नंबर 1 पे आ गए और इसका जो सारा क्रेडिट है अग्रवाल साहब को जाता है। और हमारा देखिए तपस का जो मोटिव है, ऑब्जेक्टिव है बनाने का, यही है कि अग्रवाल साहब ने बहुत कवर किया कि यहाँ सिखाना चाहिए हम लोग। हमारा भी यही है कि फाइन आर्ट फोटोग्राफी को हम यहाँ ट्राई सिटी में या बियॉन्ड ट्राई सिटी ये लोगों को सिखाना चाहते हैं, स्प्रेड करना चाहते हैं और इसीलिए हमारा तपस की फॉर्मेशन हुई। लेकिन देखिए एक तरफ सिखाने वाला, एक तरफ सीखने वाला है। जो सीखने वाला उसके ऊपर भी डिपेंड करता है कि वो कितना लेके जाएगा, कितना सीखेगा। सो इसके लिए थोड़ी सीरियसनेस चाहिए होती है। सो अभी हमारा बहुत देर से 2-3 साल से ड्रीम था कि सर्किट हो, इंटरनेशनल सर्किट, तो हमारी टीम, जग्गी जी, प्रशांत वर्मा, अनुज जी, इनकी मेहनत से कामयाब हुआ। लेकिन सारी जो लीडरशिप है, विनोद जी को क्रेडिट जाता है इसका। और हम लोग ये चाहते थे कि बैटन पास ऑन हो, एक 3 और लोग आए, विनोद जी, मेरे और नीतू जी के बाद 3 और लोगों की तलाश थी हमें, और 3 लोग हमें मिल गए, जग्गी जी, प्रशांत वर्मा और अनुज। और बैटन अब इनके हाथ में है। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आने वाले टाइम में तपस को, फाइन आर्ट फोटोग्राफी को ट्राई सिटी में और ट्राई सिटी के बियॉन्ड और भी ऊंचाइयों में लेके जाएंगे। सो मैं भी सभी जितने भी पार्टिसिपेंट यहाँ गेस्ट आए हैं इनका वेलकम करता हूँ, थैंक्स करता हूँ। और ज्यूरी मेंबर्स का बहुत मेहनत होती है, ज्यूरी का उनको बहुत टाइम लगाना पड़ता है, उनका तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि वो आए हैं। और बहुत कुछ लोग यहाँ आए भी है, अशतीश जी है, अग्रवाला साहब ने भी ज्यूरी मेंबर थे, नीतू कटियाल है, और भी कुछ लोग होंगे। सो सभी का मैं थैंक्स करता हूँ। सो मैं अगेन अग्रवाल साहब से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि हमारे तपस के लिए जो आपकी मेंटरशिप है और हम सब के लिए, ताकि हम फोटोग्राफी को और भी ऊंचाइयों पे लेके जाएं। थैंक यू वेरी मच, शुक्रिया।
थैंक यू भाटिया जी। मैं केवल इतना ही ऐड करना चाहूंगा जाने के पहले कि किसी भी अच्छे काम की शुरुआत के लिए उसके लिए डेडिकेटेड और ऑनेस्ट लोगों की जरूरत होती है। मुझे इस बात की खुशी है कि चंडीगढ़ में 2-4 लोग ऐसे जरूर हैं, और ज्यादा भी हैं, लेकिन फॉर द रेफरेंस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू 2-4 लोग ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने फोटोग्राफी के आइडिया को कैच किया और उसको ऑनेस्टली आगे लेकर जाने का संकल्प किया। वो दीपराम भी हैं, वो विनोद चौहान भी हैं, और इसके साथ साथ उनको एक टीम मिली बहुत अच्छी। नीतू कटियाल है, अनुज वर्मा है, जग्गी जी हैं, हेमंत चौहान है, और भी बहुत सारे आपके सदस्य हैं। मुझे सबका नाम याद नहीं है, बट आई डोंट मीन और रेस्ट्रिक्ट these persons to only the names, but all others also who are with Tapas, who are behind Tapas, to form a formidable, solid team. कोई भी काम, अच्छा काम बिना टीम के, टीम वर्क के कभी सक्सेस नहीं पा सकता। इसलिए तापस की ये खुशकिस्मती है कि आपको एक बहुत अच्छी टीम मिली काम करने के लिए, अपना काम बताने के लिए, उसको स्प्रेड करने के लिए। आपको एक बहुत अच्छा वेबमास्टर मिला इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अर्नब चक्रवर्ती, और आप लोग स्वयं भी, विनोद चौहान, दीपराम, नीतू कटियाल, अदर्स, आप लोगों ने भी बहुत ऑनेस्टली इस काम को और अच्छे तरीके से करने की कोशिश की। मैं जहां भी देखता हूँ ऐसा कोई स्कोप है और मेरी मदद मांगी जाती है, जितना मैं जानता हूँ मैं उतना उनको अवश्य शेयर करता हूँ, उन्हें बताता हूँ। प्रॉब्लम आने पे उसको कैसे सॉल्व किया जाए ये भी उनको सजेस्ट करता हूँ। आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा मेरी बात मानी आपने, आप लोगों का खुद का उसमें फायदा हुआ, आपस सोसाइटी का फैलाव हुआ, बहुत स्प्रेड हुआ, और ये वाकई एक तारीफ की बात है कि आने के साथ ही नॉर्थ इंडिया में तापस ने एक धमाका किया, जो कि वैक्यूम था। अबव लखनऊ देयर वाज नथिंग इन। तापस ने आके उस वैक्यूम को फिलअप कर दिया, और बहुत ही तरीके से फिलअप किया। सारे हिंदुस्तान को पता चला कि हाँ, इंडिया में, नॉर्थ इंडिया में तापस नाम का एक क्लब। मेरी आप सभी लोगों से यही प्रार्थना है, हाथ जोड़ के आप लोग इस क्लब को और आगे बढ़ाएं, एक दूसरे से अपना शेयर करते रहें, एक दूसरे की मित्रता हासिल करें, और तापस का नाम रोशन करें, चंडीगढ़ सिटी का नाम। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू आदित्य सर। यू हैव ऑलवेज
नाउ
नहीं, अभी थोड़ा ज्यूरी मेंबर को विनोद थोड़ा।
हाँ जी,
ज्यूरी मेंबर।
अगर आदित्य सर एज क्योंकि अगला हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो ज्यूरी मेंबर्स का 1-1 मिनट का कमेंट है। अभी आप एज गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर बोले हैं, तो मैं आपको एग्जिट करने से पहले रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि एज अ ज्यूरी 1 मिनट के लिए आप अपना ओवरव्यू दीजिए प्लीज।
देखिए, ऑर्गेनाइजर का काम होता है सैलून ऑर्गेनाइज करना। दैट मीन्स टू क्रिएट ए प्लेटफॉर्म and invite all the photographers to send their images. It is for the photographers to decide or send the best images that they have. तो जो images उन्होंने भेजी, as usual उसमें बहुत अच्छी image भी थी और कुछ कम अच्छी image भी थी और उससे भी कम अच्छी image। ये तो होता ही है। Overall standard more or less like any national salon था। कोई बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा भी नहीं था, लेकिन उसमें कुछ फोटोग्राफ वाकई में बहुत अच्छे थे। आपका सैलून मेरे ख्याल से अच्छा ही होना चाहिए, कम से कम जो अभी अवार्ड के पिक्चर मोनोक्रोम के दिखाए थे आप लोगों ने डॉक्टर वरुण सिन्हा के सामने, इट इज गुड, इट इज गुड।
थैंक यू सर।
But the responsibility also lies with the photographers participating.
Right.
We cannot blame the organizers. They have only created a platform. It is for them to send their pictures. Whatever they send, you have to, the juries have to select out of that also.
Thank you very much, sir. Indeed, a proud moment personally for me that मेरे mentor के mentor, my mentor is भाटिया जी and उनके mentor आदित्य जी, तो दोनों के साथ मुझे काम करने का मौका मिल रहा है और एक ब्रदरली और एक फ्रेंडली एडवाइसेस आपसे बहुत मिलती है, पर्सनल एडवाइसेस आपसे बहुत मिलती है, जिसके लिए तहे दिल से मैं आपका शुक्रगुजार हूँ, पर्सनली बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ। एंड यू हैव डन अ वर्ल्ड ऑफ गुड फॉर चंडीगढ़ एंड फॉर तपस एज एन एडवाइजर, एज अ फ्रेंड, एज अ मेंटर। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, एंड फॉर बीइंग ज्यूरी, आपका एसोसिएशन ज्यूरी के साथ और ऑनरेबल डिस्टिंक्शंस के साथ, तपस के साथ बहुत अच्छा कनेक्शन और बहुत ही फ्रूटफुल एसोसिएशन रहा है। एंड होप दिस कंटिन्यूज एज योर बीइंग चीफ एडवाइजर बैक वंस अगेन इनटू द तपस फोल्ड।
So that I will think later on.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir.
For the time being, let it continue as it is.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next in the list of judges, I'm starting from the host club Chandigarh. हमारे सतीश जी was the judge. He's from Bangalore. और मैं सतीश जी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि 1 मिनट का वो अगर कुछ कहना चाहें इस ज्यूरी एक्सपीरियंस के बारे, तो सतीश जी।
जी
सतीश जी इज देयर?
यस यस।
माइक अनम्यूट हो जाए उनका।
सर आपका माइक म्यूट है प्लीज सर।
हाँ 1 मिनट मैं करता हूँ।
हाँ हो गया।
अब करिए सतीश जी, अनम्यूट करिए।
Yeah, now can you hear?
Yes.
Can you hear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Can hear.
सर आपकी आवाज आ रही है।
Can you hear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
म्यूट हो गए आप दोबारा।
दोबारा सर आपने म्यूट कर दिया। हेलो जी सर, आपने दोबारा म्यूट कर दिया।
अनम्यूट करिए सतीश जी।
भाटिया जी हम अपने एंड पे अनम्यूट कर सकते हैं इनको?
हाँ मैंने किया है, लेकिन आगे इनको फर्दर इनको करना पड़ेगा,
पर उनको स्विच दबाना पड़ेगा।
मैं आपको को होस्ट बनाता हूँ सतीश जी, फिर आप कर सकते हैं खुद। अब करिए अनम्यूट। ये थोड़ा सा हैंग हो गया है शायद इनका वीडियो,
कनेक्शन हैंग हो गया।
हाँ विनोद जी थोड़ा सा आगे नेक्स्ट को बुला लीजिए तब।
अभी आपको मैं दोबारा कॉल करता हूँ, आप तब तक अनम्यूट कर लें। ओके। नेक्स्ट आप ही मेरे सामने हो एज अ जज भाटिया जी, सो 1 मिनट टू यू।
ओके, तो देखिए इस नेशनल सर्किट का जो एक्सपीरियंस था जजिंग का, जो वर्क है मेरे ख्याल में काफ़ी अच्छा जो वर्क यहाँ भेजा है सभी एंट्रेंट्स ने। और जो नंबर था, नंबर भी बहुत अच्छा, करीब 900 1000 के करीब कलर मोनोक्रोम में सबसे ज़्यादा एंट्रीज थी और क्वालिटी काफ़ी अच्छी थी। और अभी बस यही मैं कहना चाहूँ, जितने भी विनर्स है एक्सेप्टेंसेस या अवार्ड विनर्स, उनको मैं बधाई देता हूँ अपनी तरफ से। थैंक यू। ओवर टू विनोद जी।
हमारे फर्स्ट सैलून में भी एसोसिएटेड रही है और काफ़ी अच्छी, तपस की काफ़ी अच्छी दोस्त है, तपस की काफ़ी अच्छी चहेती है। और इस बार भी ये फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल सैलून में भी ये हमारी जूरी मेंबर थी और फर्स्ट नेशनल सर्किट के अंदर भी हमारी जूरी मेंबर मिस सोना बेनीवाल जी। उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा 1 मिनट के लिए वो अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करे एज ए जूरी मेंबर। सोना जी है? सोना जी?
सोना जी नहीं है विनोद जी, जो अवेलेबल है उन्हीं को आप बुलाइए, तो टाइम बहुत लग
अनिल
जाएगा।
जी है? अनिल रिसाल जी
नहीं है।
Vinod ji, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Over to you, Satish.
Yes.
You are looking very handsome, dynamic. For 1 minute to you, sir.
Thank you so much. I wish you all a very happy World Photography Day. In fact, it was a great pleasure judging the Tapas first All India circuit. In fact, I was overwhelmed to see a lot of new images, very quality images. And I should be thankful to all the co-judges also. In fact, I could see a lot of new entries, beautiful new images created. That is what is very important in All India Salon or international salons, where each photographer has to create new images, because all your old images becomes old after 3-4 acceptances or 3-4 awards. But what are you going to show the world? Your new creativeness. So I wish everybody should make new pictures every day, and every day is a photography day for me. I wish everybody should take like that. And Tapas is doing a wonderful job of organizing these salons, webinars, everything. In fact, I never miss any of your webinars also. And thank you so much, and thanks for organizing in a perfect way. Everything was perfect. There was no glitches in any manner. So anytime, anything for photography, and particularly for Tapas, I am always there. Thank you so much for inviting.
Thank you very much, Satish sir. We indeed
My
had
pleasure.
a pleasure. We indeed had a pleasure to have you as a host for a seminar, as a mentor for a Zoom webinar. And definitely, sir, association with you will go a long way. And with your words of encouragement, we hope that Tapas would continue its endeavor to move with flying colors. Thank you very much, sir.
Anytime. Thank you so much.
And congratulations to you for your YPS celebrating the Golden Jubilee.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. And Neetu Katyal ji is there?
Yes, she's there, I think.
Neetu ji, indeed, I have seen your transformation from just an amateur photographer to a photographer of a caliber, world reputed. And you've toiled very hard. And at the time of your painful loss at the back end, you still was a jury and did the judging to perfection, and timely judging. You completed timely judging from Tapas and from all the participants and from the organizers. I personally thank you very much, and would like to invite you to express just a couple of thoughts of yours. 1 minute to you, Neetu ma'am, and would love to see you here after a long time. Welcome, ma'am.
शायद विनोद जी वो नहीं है, मीटिंग लीव कर।
Neetu ji is not there, but I can just say only people with guts of steel can do what she has done. Thank you, Neetu ma'am, for judging and being a part of Tapas. Dr. Rupak De is there. He was judge from Jammu. We had Satyanarayan ji as a jury member for Jammu, Chandar Sundar ji as a jury member from Jammu, and Husna Khot. I think none of them is there.
No.
And Lucknow judging panel was Mr. Anil Risal, Swapan Mukherjee, Santosh Jana, Aditya Agarwala ji, Neetu Katyal. And Chandigarh judging panel was Dr. Barun Sinha, Satish ji, Deep Bhatia ji, and Sona Beniwal. And now coming to the most interesting part of this today's Zoom meeting is the announcement of the result, which is being done for the first time on an online platform by Tapas. And the participants, more than 200 in numbers, must be glued either with this webinar Zoom link or on the YouTube, or they'll follow the virtual exhibition today and tomorrow to know where they stand. And before I invite our webmaster, Arnab, I would like to congratulate and all the winners, and congratulate all the people who have had the acceptance and who has not achieved anything in this platform, in this circuit. I will say congratulations for the spirit of your participation. Winning is not always important. I firmly believe the intent and the spirit of participation is equally more important. So congratulations to one and all who have initiated to be a part of this Tapas First National Circuit. I call upon our webmaster now. Arnab, basically, I'll tell you that we have been associated with Arnab from 2015, a software developer for many salons. His association has been in all the salons, 3 international salons of Tapas, and this first national circuit, Dishti 2021. And indeed, other than the salon platform, software platform, he has been a good support, a good friend to Tapas members, to Tapas problem sorting out on web, any platform. He has been a good friend of everyone. So Arnab, I welcome you upon to start up the proceedings with the announcement of the results and leading everybody to the award-winning images on virtual exhibition. Arnab, over to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So I'll first share the results, and we'll go through the best entrants first. So for Tapas International Circuit Drishti 2021, the overall best entrant is Mr. Ajit Hulgol. He has also been the best entrant for the clubs LCC and Aperture from Jammu. Also now the best club, overall best club is Youth Photographic Society. And it is also the best club for all the 3 salons, that is Tapas, LCC as well as Aperture. So actually, I have the list of awards here, but probably it will be better to announce it along with the images. So we'll move to the gallery. So here we start with the nature gallery first. Tapas Silver has been won by Wolfgang Keding from Germany for his image Hunting. Tapas Silver and FIP Gold again won by Mr. Wolfgang Keding from Germany for his images, for his image Yeah. Gold Mine Without Gold has received merit medal. It is by Abhishek Mondal. Next, FIP Gold has been won by Mr. Ajit Hulgol for his image Cheetah Tug of War. Merit medal and Tapas Gold won by Mr. Ajit Hulgol again for Tiger Charge. Anant Kamath has won a CM for his image Wrinkled Frog with Eggs. Anita Mysore has won FIP ribbon for Woe Triplets Squabble. Mr. Anjan Mandal has won Judge's Choice for Death Under the Claws. Mr. Ankit Porwal has won a CM for the image The Rays. Mr. Anuj Jain has won the one for his image Chase, FIP ribbon and a Tapas Gold. Mr. Arjun Harith has won FIP ribbon for Spider Feeding. Again, Mr. Arjun Harith has won FIP Gold and FIP ribbon for Weaver's Devouring Bull. Mr. Arunavade has won CM and FIP ribbon for his image Big Catch XV. Tapas Gold has been won by Mr. Ashok Kumar for his image Bat Hunting the Fruit. FIP ribbon won by Mr. Ashok Kumar for his image Wasp and Feed. Tapas Bronze won by Basavraj M for his image Mass Bath. CM has been won by Mr. Basudev Maiti for his image Battle One. FIP ribbon won by Mr. Vibhuti Bhushan Nandi for his image Contender. Mr. Chandrasekhar Margu has won a CM for his image Follow Me. Merit medal won by Mr. Chiranjeev Datta for his image Mother and Child. Again, Mr. Chiranjeev Datta has won 2 Judges' Choice Medal for his image The King Falls. Ms. Chitra Joshi has won CM for her image Masti. Mr. Dashavatar Bade has won 1 FIP ribbon, 1 merit medal and 1 CM for his image ODKF with Kill Takeoff. Mr. Devashish Mukherjee has won a CM for his image Carolina Duck. Mr. Deepak Marpatia has won Chairman's Choice for Wild Love. Mr. Deepanjan Nath has won merit medal, 2 merit medals for his image Combat. Mr. Gautam Chakravarti has won a CM for his image Mating Tigers 1. Mr. Giridharan Vijay has won Judge's Choice for his image Deadlift. Again, he has won another CM for his image Still Talons. Mr. Guru Prasad JG Shringeri has won a CM for his image Fag Swallower. He has also won a merit medal for his image Green Hunter 2. Mr. H.S. Backward has won a CM for his image Leaf Bird Feeding. Judge's Choice has been won by Mr. K. Sai Prakash for his image Indian Grey Mongoose in Love. FIP ribbon and CM won by J. Satish Kumar for his image Shaheen and the Art of Skinning. FIP ribbon won by Mr. Kishan Harwalkar for Volcanic Gas from MP Sumeru. CM won by Mr. Loknath Muda for his image Mom and Baby Rhino. FIP ribbon won by Mr. Mangesh Kovalekar for his image Common Rose Butterfly. Tipas Silver won by Mrinal Sen for his, and Chairman's Choice won by Mr. Mrinal Sen for his image First Bite. CM won by Mausumi Datta for Kingfisher 1. CM won by Nagaraj Benny for image Gosume. CM won by Nagendra Muthumudru for his image Nut Thatch Feeding Chicks. CM won by Mr. Mrs. Nilima M. Reddy for ODKF with Skin Kill. Merit medal won by Nagaraju R for 3 Lucky Day. Judge's Choice won by Rajashima Satyanarayan for First Light. CM won by Sadat Hassan SK for Catch 2. Judge's Choice won by Samit Sarkar for Flying Over the Floating Ice. CM and FIP ribbon won by Sanjay Danayat for Signature Water Polo. Judge's Choice won by Sarat Acharya B for Monsoon Stream. Judge's Choice Merit Medal and FIP ribbon won by Swaraswati Rao Korlapati for Spot Billed Pelican Tossed Fish. CM won by Shashank HR for Solar Bear with 3 cubs. CM won by Shashidharan H for Green Jewel Bugs Mating. Another 2 CMs for the same image, Scorpions Mating for Mr. Shashidharan Swami H. CM by Mr. Shubhajit Rakshit for Snowy Beauty. TPAS Bronze for Greenery by Siddhartha Das. TPAS Bronze Hands-on by Samya Ranjan Bhattacharya. CM for Mr. Sumit Chakravarti for Just Landed. CM for Cormorant Catches Fish by Suresh Bangera. Judge's Choice and FIP ribbon, Munia with Peacock Feather, Uday Tejashvi Yos. CM Female Judging the Nest by Uma Shankar BM. FIP ribbon, Robert Fly with Cane Fly by Vinod Kumar VK. CM Robert Fly with Vic Will Kill 2 by Mr. Vinod Kumar VK. So that was the Nature Awards. Now we'll move to the next section. That would be monochrome. So here a CM for Mr. Abhijit Pal for Calling of Fairy. CM for Mr. Abhishek Mandal for Finishing Touch. Judges Choice and Tempest Bronze for Abir Ghosh for image Hubnum 8359. Merit Medal and FIP ribbon for Mr. Ajit Hulgal for Giant Among Dwarfs. CM for Mr. Ajit Hulgal for Spotted Hyena with Carcass. FIP Gold Left to Right by Akash Nil Banerjee. Judges Choice CM for Nandini by Aniruddha Das. Merit Medal for Anita Kanungo, Children in Bag. FIP ribbon for Ankit Porwal, Garlic in Still Life. FIP ribbon and CM for Arjun Harit for Daily Rituals. Tipper Silver for Arjun Harit for Honeymoon. FIP ribbon for Ashok Kumar for Scrap Collector. Judges Choice for Asim Kumar Chaudhary for Freedom 2. Again, for Mr. Ayan Kumar Chaudhary, Chairman's Choice for Sushmita. CM for Bhibhuti Bhushan Nandi for Fishing Trap. Tipper Silver CM and Chairman's Choice for Village Boys by Vishwajit Mukherjee. FIP ribbon for One for the Road by Chandrasekhar Margu. CM for Rings by Chiranjeev Datta. CM for Damodar Suvarna for his image Pushkar. Merit Medal for Damodar Suvarna for Spray. CM for Devajyoti Sarkar for Dream Curve. Merit Medal for Climb Up the Crescent by Devarshi Mukherjee. FIP ribbon for Devarshi Mukherjee again for Tulip 12-2. Merit Medal for Deepak Kumar Shetty for Water. FIP ribbon for Deepanjan De, Dear Woman. Tipper's Gold and CM for Durba Majumdar for Hope. FIP ribbon for Deepankar Jana for Ilivina Monochrome. CM for Erukula Virasham for Khoya Dancing. FIP ribbon for HS Vakor for Run with Bulls. Judges Choice for Hirak Bhattacharya for Roman Architecture. Judges Choice and FIP ribbon for Jayant Kumar Sarkar for Shapes 01. J. Satish Kumar received Judges Choice for Dreamland. CM for Jaideep Dev for Life in Hive. Merit Medal for Kamal Sharma for his image Bench. Merit Medal and FIP ribbon for Chota Bheem for image by Konak Basu. CM The Hair, image by Kancha Rajkumar. CM for Mausmi Datta for image Action 4. FIP ribbon for Mausmi Datta for Beauty in Shape. CM for Nilendu Banerjee for image Surreal Dream 7. Judges Choice Seduction 5 by Partha Bhattacharya. Judges Choice Love Lyrics by Rajkumar Jain. CM Whispering Mountains by Rajashima Satyanarayana. CM for My Offerings by Ramanidharan Ramaswamy. Tapas Gold for Ramesh Hoskote for Ceremonial. FIP ribbon for Salam Lincoln for Family. Tipper Silver for Sishendu Chakraborty for Freedom. Merit Medal for Sishendu Chakraborty for Prayer Intense. CM for Mr. Siddharth Das for Moving Out. CM for Mr. Chitanath Paul for Image Faith. CM for S.K. Rahman Hussain for Poetry of Historical Stones. CM, 2 CM and a Tipper's Bronze for Soumya Ranjan Bhattacharya for the image Walk and Play. 1 CM for Subhadeep Ghosh for the image Walking on Riverbed. CM for Shubhra Rai Chaudhary for the image Hiding the Pain. FIP ribbon for Subhadeep Ghosh for Leap of Joy. CM for Subratish Maitra for the image Mud Play BW. Merit medal for Suresh Bangera for Morning Light. Tipes Gold and FIP ribbon for Suresh Bangera for Village Woman with Goat. Uday Tejashvi has received a CM for Playful Boys. Mr. Uday Shankar Pal has received FIP ribbon and Judge's Choice for Bold Over. Uma Shankar BN received Chairman's Choice for Stop, Don't Run. Vardhanaka has won CM for Happy. Again, another CM for Vardhanaka for CM Kambala. FIP ribbon for Varinder Joshi for the image Lilium. And Tapas Gold for Mr. Vijay Raghavan Narayanan for multi-level unused garage. Now we'll move to color section. So Living with Waste, Mr. Abhijit Bose. Sorry, I'm just calling out the acceptance. Award Judge's Choice for Abhishek Chatterjee for the image Fisherman Art. CM for the image The Tailor by Abhishek Mondal. CM for Abir Ghosh for Shreya 5802. CM for Mr. Ajit Hulgal, sorry, FIP ribbon for Mr. Ajit Hulgal for Dwarf Kingfisher with Skink. Tipes Gold for Mr. Ajit Hulgal for Rufus Tail Hummingbird. CM for Anant Kamath for Dispersion of Lovre. FIP ribbon and Tapas Bronze for Aniruddha Das for Narayana. Merit medal for Aniruddha Das for the image Saga of a Life. CM for Anita Maishore for Tramp Trails. FIP ribbon for Ankit Porwal for Red Debts. Judge's Choice for Chandranarayan by Arjun Harith. CM for Himalayan Blue Ship by Arjun Harith. Tipes Silver for Race with Pets by Ashok Kumar. CM by Ashim Kumar Chaudhary for the image My Caged Life. 2 CMs for Mr. Abhijit Bose for the image The Lady with the Lamp. Merit medal for Mr. Binay Kumar Rawal for Foggy Mood. CM for Ayan Kumar Chaudhary for the image Preparation. CM for Chandrasekhar Margu for Roti Maker. CM for Chiranjeev Datta for Lilac and Lavender. CM for Chiranjeev Datta again for the image Pensive. CM for Debajiti Sarkar for the image Pain Healer 2. CM for Deepak Kumar Shetty for Moonlight Theme. CM for Deepak Kumar Shetty for Rural Childhood. CM for Deepak Kumar Jana, Elegant Neha. CM for Deepankar Jana, sorry, Enchanting Evelina. Tipes Silver for Durba Majumdar, Jenny. Tipes Gold for Durba Majumdar, The Peacher. Judge's Choice for Mr. H.S. Backward for Colorful Food. Chairman's Choice and Judge's Choice for Mr. H.S. Backward for I Am With. CM for Red Cherry for Hardik Agarwal. Merit medal for Rising by Jayant Kumar Sarkar. Merit medal and FIP ribbon Penguins on Floating Iceberg by Jayant Babubhai Kamdar. FIP ribbon for Joydeep Dev for image Life in Aspire. Tipes Bronze FIP ribbon and Judge's Choice for the image Rain in Train by Kishan Chand Chataram. FIP ribbon The Balloons and the Word by Kishan Harwalkar. CM Streets of Kolkata by Konak Basu. Tipes Bronze for Fishermen by Mahsin Khan. Judge's Choice Hanging Painter 2 by Muhammad Inayatullah Mondal. CM for Splash of Yellow by Mrinal Sen. Chairman's Choice Dreaming Ladies by Nilendu Banerjee. Merit medal 3 Festival Time by Nagaraju R. FIP ribbon Splash Art 2 by Pritam Paja. FIP ribbon Desire Born again by Rajkumar Jain. FIP ribbon Traditional Beauty by Ramesh Hoskote. FIP ribbon and Merit medal Writing to My Love by Ramnath Banerjee. CM Helena by Ruby Majumdar. CM and FIP ribbon Paddy Field 2 by Sandeep Paramanik. FIP ribbon My Way by Sarat Acharya B. Tapas Gold and Chairman's Choice, Pray for Life by Shishendu Chakrabarti. CM for Waterscape by Siddharth Das. CM for Skull by Sitanath Paul. Merit Medal for Mr. Somak Majumdar for his image Flower and Vase 2. CM for Face Art by Srinivas Mandaloju. Merit Medal for Mr. Shomaranjan Bhattacharya for River Story 1. CM for Inner Trance by Subhamay Karmakar. CM Go Back by Sujit Mandal. FIP Ribbon and FIP Gold for Freedom by Subra Rai Chaudhary. FIP Ribbon Ma Durga by Suraj Datta. FIP Ribbon, FIP Gold Force of Kick by Suresh Bangera. Judges Choice My New Cycle by Suresh Bangera. Merit Medal by Suresh Bangera for his image Secured Hands. Tippers Silver for Sutitha Gayan for Love Me Too. Judges Choice FIP Ribbon for Colorful Construct 1 by Udayan Shankar Pal. CM for Udayan Joardar for Where Sky Touches Horizon. CM for Kambala Bull Race Uma Shankar BN. And finally, the Judges Choice for Vardha Nayak for his image Missing Bull. Next section would be photo travel. So 2 CMs for Abhishek Basak for Pahalgam Beauty. FIP Ribbon for Elephants at Mount Kilimanjaro by Ajit Hulgul. FIP Ribbon and Tapas Gold for Sheep Amid Icebergs by Ajit Hulgul again. Judges Choice for On Fire by Ajit Joshi. Judges Choice by Arena of Imperial Rome by Anant Kamath. FIP Ribbon for Holy Place by Ankit Porwal. Judges Choice and Tapas Silver for the Vatican City by Anant Kumar. Tapas Silver for Ujjain Shimhasta by Ankit Porwal. CM for Peak Reflection by Anup Mazumdar. FIP Ribbon by Arjun Harit for Shettihalli Church. Chairman's Choice for Arjun Harit for the image Erawan Falls. Merit Medal Jog Falls by Aruna Bapat. CM The Devotion 1 by Ashish Kumar Das. Merit Medal Jatra Car Festival by Ashok Kumar. FIP Ribbon Baron 1 by Vasudev Maiti. CM Welcome of Prince by Binay Kumar Raul. FIP Ribbon Preparation by Chandrasekhar Margu. CM Victoria Memorial by Chiranjeev Datta. FIP Ribbon Judges Choice and a Merit Medal for Damodar Suvarna for the image Firefighting. FIP Ribbon Yellow Throne by Dashavatar Bade. Chairman's Choice Destructive Downpour by Devarshi Mukherjee. Tapas Bronze for Near Amarnath Cave by Devashish Fadikar. CM The Wayfarer by Devashish Saha. Chairman's Choice for 2 Hori Controlling with Net 2021 by Devaraj Setti S. Kikeri. CM for 3 Shankranti Festival by Devaraj Setti S. Kikeri. CM and Tapas Bronze for Principate by Deepak Kumar Khetri. CM for Srimani 1 by Guru Prasad J.G. Sringeri. Merit Medal Abhisheka by H.S. Baikor. CM Final Salute by H.S. Baikor. CM Rituals 1 by Harshajit Das. CM Kobri Hori in Action Karnataka by K. Sai Prakash. FIP Ribbon Grand Mosque by Kasturi Kovlekar. CM for 2 CMs for Golden Eagle 2 by Kishan Harwalkar. Merit Medal and Judges Choice CM and a CM for Dance of Tissue 1 by Konak Basu. FIP Ribbon for Intercity by Mahsin Khan. Merit Medal Shutter Shelter by Nagendru Muthmudru. 2 CMs for Nilima Reddy for Kumbra Bath of Sadhus. CM for Raj Kumar Jain for Fall with the Flow. FIP Ribbon for Rajasima Satyanarayan for Strasbourg. FIP Ribbon and CM for Tour Eiffel by Rajasima Satyanarayan. FIP Ribbon for Rajesh Arya for Birds View Paris. CM for Raju Pawar for Har Har Mahadev. FIP Ribbon for Machu Picchu Inca Civilization by Sami Sarkar. 3 CMs for Sandipan Chaudhary for the image Tones. CM FIP Ribbon and FIP Gold for Sarat Acharya B for Flower Bless. Tipas Gold for Frozen Kufri by Shirshendu Chakravarti. FIP ribbon for Pasture by Sitanath Paul. CM Zigzag by Sujit Mondal. FIP ribbon Bathukama Celebrations by Sunkari Ramesh. Tapas Gold, Tapas Silver for Sunkari Ramesh for the image Jogini 2. Tapas Bronze and CM for Yatra Vital Virdev by Suresh Bangera. CM for Udaya Tejasvi for Dono Bhallo Bhago Jaldi. CM must win for Udaya Tejasvi. Merit medal Kali by Udayan Shankar Pal. CM Kolhapur Yellow Festival by Udayan Juardar. Judges choice, 2 judges choice for Kulasai Faith Incredible by Udayan Juardar. Merit medal Devotion by Vikas Babu. Merit medal Nature Paradise by Vikas Babu and Procession by Vikas Babu for a judge's choice. And now the last section, that is photojournalism. So FIP ribbon and merit medal for Wolfgang Keding for the image Autocrosser 1 to 9 on Wrong Way. Tapas Silver, Biker 7 in yellow is first by Wolfgang Keding. Merit medal by Abhijit Bose for Buried due to COVID-19. FIP ribbon Spiraling Violence in Assam by Abhijit Bose. CM for Abhishek Basak for Never Give Up 100. Waterlogging Kolkata by Abhishek Basak. Tapas Bronze for Abir Ghosh for COVID 132751. 2 FIP Gold and 1 Tapas Gold for Panther at City by Ajay Tiwari. CM Waiting for the Sheep by Ajit Hulgal. Judges Choice Man and Machine by Anirban Banerjee. FIP Ribbon Tapas Bronze for School Chale Hum by Anuj Jain. Judges Choice Kambala by Arjun Harit. Tapas FIP Ribbon for Muharram 1 by Ashish Kumar Das. CM and FIP ribbon for Renunciation by Ashok Kumar. CM for Me and My Mother for Ayan Kumar Chaudhary. CM for Dhunuchi Dance by Basudev Maiti. CM for Waterlogging at Bali by Vibhuti Bhushan Nandi. Tapas Silver, 2 Tapas Silvers and a judge's choice for Accident 02 by Mr. Vinay Kumar Rawal. CM for Gajanan Festival by Bishwajit Mukherjee. CM for Penance 2 by Bishwajit Mukherjee. CM for Damodar Suvarna for Outside the Ring. CM for Daredevils by Chandrasekhar Margu. Chairman's Choice and CM for Mr. Devashi Mukherjee for the image Fight with the Flames. Tapas Bronze for Inferno from Top by Mr. Devashi Mukherjee. CM 2 Hori Festival Annadatha by Devaraja S. Kikri. CM for Mahamastaka Bhisheka by H.S. Bako. FIP ribbon Misty Morning by Hirak Bhattacharya. Judge's Choice Oops by Jasbir Singh. CM Burdened by Joydeep Dev. Merit Medal Dusty Storm by Kaushik Chatterjee. CM Firefighter by Kaushik Chatterjee. CM Care by Krishnendu Shaw. Merit Medal and CM Fire Rider by Loknath Muda. CM for Bull Race 1 by Lokesh Kesi. Merit Medal Kushti on the Street by Muhammad Inayatullah Mondal. CM for Dondi 1 by Mausami Datta. Merit Medal for Tsunami 1 by Mausami Datta. CM for River Moved into City by Partha Pratim Jana. CM for Fireman by Pritam Panja. CM for Playing with Fire by Raja Shima Satyanarayan. Tapas Gold and Merit Medal for Encroachment at Smart City by Raju Pava. FIP ribbon Heartbeat Open by Raju Pava. CM for All Souls Day by Sandeep Pramanik. FIP ribbon Dangerous Horse by Sandeep Pramanik. Merit Medal Clickers and the Chaos by Sanjay Danai. FIP ribbon Wall Collapse by Sanjay Danai. CM After Holy Bath by Shantanu Chandra. Judge's Choice Navy Day at RK Beach by Saraswati Rao Korlapati. CM Blessings by Siddharth Das. Judge's Choice Protest 2 by Subhadeep Ghosh. FIP ribbon Revolution 2 by Subhadeep Ghosh. Merit Medal The Shop Protector by Sumit Chakravarti. CM Hindu Ritual by Sujay Kumar Sil. Judge's Choice Under the Rain by Sumit Chakravarti. CM Come Again Next Year by Suresh Bangera. Judge's Choice Return Journey by Suresh Bangera. FIP ribbon Commitment by Udaya Tejasvi Yours. Judge's Choice and CM for Missing Trap by Udaya Tejasvi Yours. CM Attack by Uma Shankar BN. FIP ribbon and FIP gold for head down, Jallikattu by Uma Shankar VN, FIP ribbon for clearance by Vardhanayaka, Tapas gold and chairman's choice for rescued bull by Vardhanayaka, and finally the chairman's choice for Into the New World by Mr. Vijay Reddy Venumurthala. Thank you all. So that was the entire award list for the circuit.
विनोद जी आगे की प्रोसीडिंग स्टार्ट रखें.
Am I audible?
Yes,
sir.
Congratulations, Arnab, and thanks a lot for your spirited presentation, spanning beyond the allotted time. And duly, it required that much of time, and the presentation was good. Images, selected awarded images were good. That speaks about the strength of our jury team of 11. And congratulations to all the winners. Congratulations to the best entrants of the 3 clubs. And congratulations to the best clubs, best club awardees of the 3 clubs. And especially cash prize of 5,000 was constituted in the memory of my father, AC Memorial. And this 5,000 was a lot distributed for 2,000 cash award was for the overall best entrant. And 3,000 award was for the overall best club. And I think YPS did not keep anything guessing. So it was a clean sweep by them. So there's no doubt and no need to think over it. So first and foremost, before I call upon a representative, maybe if Satish is there, if the overall best entrant is glued to the Zoom meeting, Arnab, can you just invite upon if he's there?
It was Mr. Ajit Gulgul.
Is Ajit Gulgul there?
Gulgul.
No, sir.
Okay. So on behalf of the first Tapas National Circuit 2021 Drishti 2021, from all the members, teams and organizers of Tapas, we wish you congratulations, and indeed we pray that you move with flying colors and win many similar awards in the salons and in the time to follow. And the best club award, a cash award in the memory of AC Chauhan, AC Memorial. So that is of 3,000. Without doubt, as spoken earlier, it goes to YPS Club of Bangalore, celebrating their 50th Golden Jubilee. This award is a befitting answer to their efforts, commendable efforts of 50 years. So H. Satish ji, if he's there as the president of YPS Club and winning this, all the 3 best club awards and the overall best club, if you can speak 1 minute, feeling and anything personal remarks you have to say on this. Satish ji is there?
No.
So, okay. Again from Tapas, hearty congratulations to YPS. And now, as per the नीतू जी नहीं है, भाटिया जी शायद
नहीं, तो बस आप ही कर दीजिए.
Okay, so I think हेमंत चौहान is there. So एक vote of thanks हेमंत जी से लेके हम इसको close करते हैं. But उससे पहले मैं एक बार सब लोगों का who have been there, especially Daria Yazar, she's always there, very punctual, and like she at times she is more punctual than our own members. And I really thank you very much from the deep core of my heart. Very sincerely associated with Tapas and all the senior photo enthusiasts who had joined glued with us. It indeed was very motivational and encouraging, the response we got for the first Tapas National 2021. As said earlier, compliments to one and all, and especially my organizers and my mentor. If we can all raise our hands. Jaggi ji, raise your hand. Prashant, if it is there, just pat your back. You did a commendable job. So
Thank you, sir.
I assure you that in times to follow, we will come up with Tapas International Salon also. But International Salon and National Salon, should there be a part of Tapas activities henceforth. With these words, thanking the webmaster at the last, and with these words, I call upon our one of the senior members, Hemant Chauhanji, because he'll be doing the press coverage henceforth from here on, and call you upon Hemantji. वोट ऑफ थैंक्स के लिए हेमंत जी आप आइए.
हाँ, अनम्यूट कर लीजिए.
हेलो हेलो
हेलो
हाँ जी. सबसे पहले सभी को मेरी ओर से वर्ल्ड फोटोग्राफी डे पे शुभकामनाएं. और आज का जो टॉपिक का हमारा फंक्शन है ऑनलाइन पे, इसमें जो भी पार्टिसिपेंट हैं उन सभी का हम धन्यवाद करते हैं कि हाजिर हुए हैं. इससे बढ़कर जो हमारे आज के चीफ गेस्ट वरुण सिन्हा जी और गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर आदित्य अग्रवाल जी, जो कि तपस के साथ काफ़ी सालों से एसोसिएट हैं, हम उनका तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार करते हैं. इसके अलावा जो आज का हमारा दृष्टि 21 और फर्स्ट तपस नेशनल सर्किट का जो आज आगाज हुआ है, उसके लिए तपस की टीम हेडेड बाय प्रवीण जग्गी और अनुज जी, प्रशांत जी के हम बहुत आभारी हैं कि उन्होंने बहुत ही मेहनत से ये काम किया है. और उससे भी ज़्यादा जो हम शुक्रगुजार हैं हमारी संस्था तपस के जो प्रधान हैं विनोद चौहान जी, एडवाइज़र डी भाटिया जी, इन सभी की गाइडेंस से ये आज का जो हमारा फंक्शन है ऑनलाइन सफल हो पाया है. तो इसके लिए जितने भी आज के विनर हैं जो हमारे फर्स्ट सर्किट में रहे हैं, उन सभी को तपस की ओर से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और धन्यवाद.
थैंक यू हेमंत जी. इससे पहले हम डिपार्ट करें, चैट बॉक्स में हमने ये जो जूम सेशन था ये हैप्पी वर्ल्ड फोटोग्राफी डे से स्टार्ट किया था. वी आर एंडिंग विद द नोट ऑफ सेइंग हैप्पी वर्ल्ड फोटोग्राफी डे. चैट बॉक्स में जो विशेस दी है, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस पार्टिसिपेंट्स को और विनर्स को. और हैप्पी वर्ल्ड फोटोग्राफी डे दिया है प्रवीण जग्गी जी ने दिया है, शुभेंदु चक्रवर्ती ने दिया है, विश्वजीत भट्टाचार्य ने, धन लक्ष्मी ने, गैलेक्सी बी से आया है, अनिबन चक्रवर्ती से आया है, और सावन शर्मा से आया है, रेडमी से आया है, नीतू कटियाल जी से आया है. थैंक यू नीतू कटियाल जी फॉर बीइंग ऑन द चैट बॉक्स, मैसेज करने के लिए. नीलंजन से आया है, आर्नब से आया है और खुशजीव से आया है. सो विद दिस नोट दैट एवरीबडी हैज विश्ड and hoped for the best wishes for Tapas, for the winners, the participant of first Tapas National Drishti 2021. Once again, a very happy World Photography to one and all. Good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.